Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here with word games. Today's game is Verbs for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1. Jennifer will to London next month. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This means after it happens, London will be her new home. Move. Jennifer will move to London next month. We also use move like this. Can you see the pen? You will move the pen like that. To move to London, to move the pen. Oh no! A car into a tree. This means there was an accident. We usually use it with into, but it's not an idiom. It crashed into a tree. This means there was an accident. The students will after the teacher. We use this verb with after quite often, but it's not an idiom. This means the teacher will say something, and then the students will say the same thing. Repeat. They will repeat after the teacher. Equals, they will repeat what the teacher says. The rescuers are looking for someone. They are the park now. They are trying to find somebody who is in distress. Searching. They are searching the park now. The company, their products with many trucks. They put their products on trucks and then they go to all parts of the country. Distributes. The company distributes their products with many trucks. To distribute something somewhere. The police Bob because they think he broke the law. When the police do this, they usually take somebody to the police station because they think that that person is guilty. They arrested Bob because they think he broke the law. To arrest somebody. It's always the police doing it. The politicians are promising to the education system. We use this word in politics a lot. It means change but make better. Also, improve reform. They are promising to reform the education system. He will it equals he will make an exact copy of it. Duplicate. He'll duplicate it. Bob is the floor with a brush. This means the floor is dirty and he's trying to clean it with a brush, and he's rubbing really hard. And he's probably using soap and water. Scrubbing. He is scrubbing the floor with a brush and lots of effort. To scrub something with a brush. Scrubbed. Scrubbing. The teacher will, with each student for 5 minutes. This means to communicate with somebody face to face, especially at work or in a game. Interact. The teacher will interact with each student for 5 minutes. In today's game, word number 1, 2, 4, and 6 are also nouns in our program. This word is also a noun and an adjective, but we pronounce it differently. For the verb, we say duplicate. The other ones, we say duplicate. Game over! That was lots of fun. How did you do? What's your score? Very nice. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye, everybody.